Good morning, students. Let's start with our GK class, and today we will do chapter 9, Amazing Facts About Animals. Some of the animals, they have got strange habits that are quite fascinating. So you have to read the strange habits of such animals and mark the answers. Now children, unlike the other species of bats, vampire bats can walk, run and jump. They have very strong hind legs and a special thumb that helps them take off after feeding. Each night, do you know the vampire bats drink about half of their body weight in blood? And if they can't find blood for 2 nights in a row, they will die. So, now the first answer, you mark it in your book as vampire bat. Next, these are the ocean creatures that are most famous for having 8 arms and bulbous heads. You are familiar with this creature, isn't it, children? Yes, it is octopus. Now, do you know that these animals, they have got 3 hearts and their blood is blue and they can also walk. Yes, they can walk. And children, they throw bright colors when they are attacked in order to protect them. So now mark the answer as octopus. A cheetah will mark their territory by urinating or by rubbing their cheek and chin. Do you know what happens when they rub their cheek or chin? The saliva is secreted, and this saliva contains the same chemical as does the urine. And this way they mark their territory so that they can better avoid one another. In order to avoid one another, they mark their territory. So mark the answer, cheetah. Now number 4, a red fox has a relatively long body with dense fur which is rusty red in color. They are omnivores. They eat rats, moles, etc. and even fruits, nuts, etc. And they are nocturnal. That means they come out during the night. They have excellent senses. They can hear an animal underground and communicate with their tails. See, it pretends to be dead to get its meal. See how clever this animal is. So, you can see in the video how clever it pretends itself to be dead to get its meal. So now children, mark the answer as red fox. Now here comes another amazing animal, zebras. They are wild animals that cannot be domesticated. They can travel long distances. They are black animals with white stripes and they enjoy a dust bath on a regular basis to get rid of the parasites. So mark the answer as zebra. Koalas are native to eastern Australia where the eucalyptus forests grow. They are herbivores and eat almost exclusively eucalyptus leaves. Now these eucalyptus trees are both food and a home for koalas. They have short, curved claws ideal for climbing trees and 2 thumbs on their front paw that help them to grip small branches. They rarely even come to the ground to drink. The name koala is from an aboriginal word meaning no drink because they get most of their water from the leaves they eat. Now they spend most of their time in the treetops eating or more likely sleeping. Children, do you know they sleep between 18 and 22 hours a day? It takes a lot of energy to digest the eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus leaves are poisonous to most animals, but koalas have an extra long digestive system which allows these leaves to digest without being hurt by the poison. Although now these are not currently endangered, they are in trouble. Once they were hunted in large numbers for their soft fur. Although they are protected now, they need plenty of eucalyptus trees, about 100 trees per koala, to have enough food to eat. As the forests they live in are cut down by humans, koalas have fewer and fewer places to live. If we want to make sure that the koalas stay healthy and happy, we need to protect their habitats so that they have enough trees to call their home. So mark the answer, koala. So children, I hope you enjoyed today's GK class. Now please tick the correct answers in your book and send me the pics quickly. Thank you children. Stay safe, stay healthy.